today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 11. I am so incredibly grateful that I was able to get this phone, and I am so excited to unbox this. I literally can't wait. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So as you guys can see, I got it in the color black, and since we got a family plan, my mom also chose the iPhone 11 and she got the color purple. So here is the box. Okay, so let's open this up. But you guys, this is kind of like ASMR. Okay, I live for that. So I'm just going to unpeel this little flap right here. You guys, so this is the phone. So this is how it looks from the front, and this is the back of it. So now I'm just going to peel this little flappy thing. I feel like this is gonna be so satisfying. Oh my god. I love it. You guys, I already reached for the I already reached for the home button because I've only ever had iPhones with home buttons, but it doesn't have one. It's so cool. So I brought my soon-to-be old phone to show you guys for reference. This is the iPhone 7 in black, and this is the size difference. It's pretty crazy. But yeah, let's set this up. Okay, so I just entered in my Wi-Fi password, and now I'm just waiting for my phone to activate. It's loading. So for my iPhone 7, I've always done the dark display, but I think I'm gonna try the light display, and then I'm just going to do the standard display as well. Okay, so here's the phone all set up. I'm so excited. I want to show you guys the comparison of these cameras because it is literally insane. Wow. I've also never had portrait mode, so this is so cool. I think the camera is one of the things that I'm most excited about, especially being able to shoot in 4K. That is so cool. I am so excited about this. I also want to show you guys what comes in the box. So right here, we just have the charging cable. Sadly, it doesn't come with the charging block, but I do actually have a charging block from my computer, which will fit this, or I can just plug this straight into my computer. And I also have the charger for the iPhone 7, which does work on the iPhone 11. And right here we just have this little pocket, and it comes with an Apple sticker, paper with some information about the phone, and then there's just like a little guide to using the phone. I'm just gonna put this back in the little pocket. And then right here we have the SIM release tool. Then I also picked out a new case for the phone. So this case is just from Amazon, and I believe it's the brand Avery. I thought this case was so cute. I've been loving cow print recently, and I thought this was so adorable. I am obsessed with this. This is so cute. So I'm also going to add a new lock screen and home screen. I'm gonna look on Google Images. So I think I'm going to go with this one. Oh, it's so pretty. Yes, I literally love it so much. So this is the purple iPhone 11, aka my mom's phone. Her case is also from Amazon. And it's super cute. And her lock screen for right now is just this bluish purple one, which just moves around, and it's super cool. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I think I'm going to be filming a what's on my iPhone super soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!